Activity 4. Reason. Bending of light ray away from the normal. Take a metal disc, take a protractor and mark angles along the edges of metal disc. Take two straws from the center of the disc and arrange them in a way that they freely rotate about the center of the metal disc. Move one of the straw and adjust to 10-degree angle. Immerse half of the disc vertically into a transparent vessel which filled with water. Of course, they appear to be in single straight line when they are seen from the side view with half of the disc inside the water. Find the angle among the normal and second straw. Draw a table in your notebook. Note down the values in a table. Repeat the same procedure for different angles. Measure the angle of refraction for different angles respectively. I, R, nu equal to sin I by sin R. I values like I1, I2, I3 and so on. In. R values R1, R2, R3 and so on Rn. Calculate the refractive index of water with the help of table. Do not perform this activity with angle of incidence greater than 45 degrees. In above activity, you have observed that the I is greater than the R in each case. That means when light ray passes from denser medium water to rarer medium air, it performs in somewhat approach to the we observed in lab activity 1. Since in this activity the light ray passes from denser water to rarer air, so we can generalize that the light ray bends away from the normal. Dear children, we have completed the lesson Refraction of Light. Now I am sharing notes of this lesson, so everyone should write notes and learn the question and answers.